Hi, I'm Johnny from UltimatePaperMache.com, and my Basset Hound is looking more like a Basset Hound now. I spent quite a lot of time on the face today, and actually a little bit yesterday. Got his ears on, put his nose on there. I've actually only done one side of his face so far. It's taking a long time. Now, if you haven't already seen the other videos about this Basset Hound, please look at the links down below, or just check my channel, my YouTube channel, for the Basset Hound playlist. Or if you're on my website, look at ultimatepapermache.com/Basset Hound. You'll see all the videos on that one page, so you don't have to go search for them. You can also see the free pattern on that page if you would like to make a Basset Hound using my pattern, or you can go ahead and make one of your own. If you want to make a Shih Tzu or a Boxer or any other kind of dog, you can make your own pattern. And I'm going to put a link to a video that I made showing you how to do that. Go ahead and make your own pattern and then use all the same techniques that I'm using on the Basset Hound to make whatever breed you want to make. You can make a portrait of your own dog. In fact, that'd be kind of fun. Even though I tried really hard to get the eyes in the same place on both sides, they're not. And that quite often happens, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of surgery and fix that. Fortunately, this is a paper mache sculpture rather than a real Basset Hound, so it's not going to hurt him, but I am going to fix it before I keep going. And I will also do the other side while you're not looking. I'll make sure that the feet are all the same size, but right now they're not. And by the time I get all that done, in the next video, we'll put the paper mache clay on there. But right now I want to show you how I put the face on there. So let's get started. To find out exactly where the eyes should go, I looked at a lot of photographs of a lot of dogs of different breeds, and it turns out that if you draw two parallel lines straight up from the outside edges of the nose, then you'll know exactly how far apart the eyes go. The circles on my drawing actually include all of the eye, including the part that's covered up by the eyelid. So if I could decide how big I wanted my nose, just by putting two pieces of crumpled aluminum foil right there on the end of the muzzle where the nose goes, and kind of fiddle around with it until I thought, okay, this is how big I want my nose to be, or okay, my Basset Hound's nose. Then I could use them as spacers so that I would know for sure that I was getting my eyes the right distance apart. Put the styrofoam balls right on the outsides of those crumpled pieces of foil with some hot glue. Unfortunately, they got moved around a little bit when I was adding more foil, so they didn't stay exactly where they belonged, but it was a really good start, and I'm going to be using this idea a lot. So from this point on, I'll turn myself off and just let you watch. I'll speed up the video so that you can see how I'm adding all the shapes to make the Basset Hound's head. Now remember, if you want to make a Basset Hound yourself, go ahead and download the free pattern, ultimatepapermache.com/bassethound, or make your own pattern. I put that link down below. And also check out the Basset Hound playlist if you haven't seen all of the other Basset Hound videos that I'm doing. I should have just a couple more, and then this guy's going to be completely finished. I've got a couple of Lion King masks that I'm working on already, but as soon as those are done and as soon as this guy's done, I'm going to start on a portrait of a koala bear, and I'm going to do that one in wet clay. We're going to do it a completely different way than this, and the clay is so much easier to see on video, so I'm getting really excited about that already. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and do hit that bell thing so you'll be notified when the next videos come out. In the meantime, go make something, either a Basset Hound or anything else, and come visit me, ultimatepapermache.com. I'll see you there.